Welcome to the Wall Street Wrap, where we'll give you a quick glimpse of what happened in the U.S. markets on Tuesday, August 10th. Markets were choppy in early trading in anticipation of a central bank report due out in the afternoon. Finally, markets ended in the negative, with the Dow down 55 points, the S&P 500 down 7 points, and the Nasdaq declining 29 points. In economic news, government data showed business productivity fell at an annual rate of 0.9%, the first decline in a year and a half, after rising 3.9% in the first quarter. This means that output per worker fell and the economy is operating less efficiently because overall production is below its potential. Analysts say the good news in this could be that businesses may be forced to hire more employees if they have reached the limits of productivity from current employees. Compensation per hour fell at an annual rate of 0.7% in the second quarter and was flat in the first 3 months of the year. A gauge of consumer confidence showed a slip in August to 43.6 from 44.7 in July. A reading under 50 shows pessimism, and over 50 is optimistic. Taken together, the reports show signs that the economic recovery in the U.S. seems to be losing momentum. However, markets got their boost from the Fed's report. At the end of its meeting on Tuesday, it reported that it would take a small step to help the economy. The central bank said it would use money from its investments in mortgage securities to buy government debt on a small scale. This would help bring down long-term interest rates on mortgages and corporate debt, but wouldn't have a very big impact. In addition, it reported that economic growth will be more modest than it had thought just 7 weeks ago. Also, it kept interest rates unchanged in the range between 0 and 0.25%. In world markets, European indices fell, and Asian markets also ended the day on a negative note after reports show Chinese imports slowed in July, increasing 22.7% from a year earlier, compared to a 34.1% year-over-year jump the prior month. In commodities, oil fell $1.23 to $80.25, and gold was up $3.70 to $1,206.30. In bonds, the yield on the 10-year note fell to 2.77% from 2.82% the day before. And that's all we have for you. We hope this helps you with your trading day. Thanks for watching.